So I spent today working on this Ford Fusion, and I spent most of my day working up here. I put some threaded rods into it. I looped all my transmission lines, sorry, my steering lines, and my radiator lines. I'm just drawing a blank. I ended up moving the reservoir from that side to this side, and I want to keep this reservoir. I'm just going to put a whole bunch of spray foam in here, because this right here will be my actual holding tank. That will hold a lot more fluid than if I didn't even have it. So by actually holding more fluid, it will hopefully keep this car just a little bit cooler. I am going to spray foam it in there, like I said. Now, I got the threaded rod in. All I did was just weld it down the side of the frame up, and then I double nutted, because there is no actual rad support left in this car, so I'm not running one really. But we got power steering back. Now, there is a problem with this car. One of these pulleys back here is actually bent, and it is kicking the belt off every now and then, so I'm probably going to lose the belt quite a bit inside the Derby, so I'm already prepared for that. I'll just be able to put it back on if I need to, boost it, put an extra battery into it, kind of thing. But let's see what this thing looks like with the hood shut and the threaded rod all set up. Well, there, look at that. Now, I kind of folded the hood over and then attached the threaded rod right to the hood folds, because I have no rad support, like I said, so I need to add some strength to the hood, and I brought the rad supports right, the threaded rod right up where the hood is folded. Now, I'd really like to put more threaded rod through the hood, but I'm not really allowed. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to put a seat belt right about here and stuff like that. Now, there's still little things that I want to do to this. I want to put an aftermarket shifter onto this, but all my shifters are kind of in Camrys right now, so I can't exactly take them out. And I'm going to try to contact my buddy and see if I can have one built in probably about a week, to see if I can have it installed in this, see if he's got any ready to go or anything. But the Fusion, like I said, it's coming along great. She runs good. I don't know why she was stumbling the other day, because it's not stumbling anymore. We got the bumper on, we got the hood rolled over, we got the hood bolted down. Still got to put 16s on it, because the rules say I cannot run 17s. So I did find a set of 16s for the car. I just got to get them mounted on the proper rims to be able to be bolted on. I'm not going to double them or anything like that. Just going to get them on so they can go. Yeah, so car's coming along. I still have to seatbelt the driver door shut, and then I'm probably not even going to put a cage inside this. But she's coming along. I'm sorry, guys, that there hasn't been a whole lot of updates, and I know that I haven't really been putting up a video a lot lately, but honestly, I've been working 7 days a week. And I know I'm saying that, but I'm actually working 7 days a week. And then when I'm coming home after work, I'm doing a lot of kitchen renovations. I started it by taking out a wall inside my house, and then the kitchen ended up coming out, and then the flooring ended up coming out, and then all the drywall ended up coming out, and then the ceiling started coming down because I just kept tearing it apart. So in the middle of February, I'm supposed to have a new kitchen put in my house, but until then, it's pretty awkward inside my house. I have no stove, I have no sink. My refrigerator's in my living room. When I get home from work after a long day, I kind of want to sit down and relax, but now I'm doing drywall, so oh well. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and don't worry, the Fusion is going to be ran hopefully very shortly, so stay tuned, and we'll see this thing get smashed up, and see you guys back here tomorrow, hopefully. Take care.